Welcome to Harvest Bible Fellowship Rwanda, a church for me and my family.
A church for you and your family. We care for you and your family.
At Harvest Bible Fellowship, we are a family.
Our mission is to glorify God through the fulfillment of the Great Commission in the spirit of the Great Commandment.
At Harvest, we have found that Christ is the head and the foundation of the church. On Him, the church is built.
We have 6 pillars built on Jesus Christ that we avow. The first one, an apologetic preaching. We proclaim the authority of God's word without apology.
The second one is unashamed worship, which is about lifting high the name of Jesus Christ in our worship.
The third one, unceasing prayer. We firmly believe in the power of prayer.
The fourth one is unafraid witness. We share the good news of Jesus Christ with boldness.
The fifth one, intentional discipleship. We mature believers into disciples.
Whereas the sixth one is church planting in Rwanda and the Great Lakes region. We plant and revitalize existing churches in strategic cities, towns, and villages in Rwanda and the East Africa region.
We do everything to get to our vision where every one of us is mature.
Worshiping Christ, walking with Christ,
and working for Christ.
2023 is a year of increased greatness and honor, a year to set an example for others to follow like Gideon, for fruitfulness and influence.
Thank you. You are loved. On Tuesday, we have English Bible study that starts at 5:20 to 6 p.m. On Sunday, we have English service that starts at 11:30 to 1 p.m. Invite a friend so that we can fellowship together and share the blessings from God. You are loved. We do everything to get to our vision when every one of us is mature. We do everything to get to our vision where every one of us in the spirit of the Great Commandment.
We plant and revitalize towns in